Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to go over just a quick update on Bitfarms and Argo. I had some mistakes. I had some great comments from you guys, so I wanted to thank you guys right now. Let me see here. So we got Jen's Phage. This is for Argo and Randomizer 277. They pointed out to me that my conversion from the British pounds or the British pence was off. Along with, here we had Jash, I'm guessing that's how you pronounce it. So I want to say thank you guys for that. I definitely did not know that they were using the British pence, which is basically our pennies, and you have to divide it by 100 to get the exact British pounds and pences units. So I do appreciate that, guys. Thank you for pointing that out. And then I also had a mistake in Bitfarms, which Paul was kind enough to point this out to me. So market cap for Bitfarms that you are using in Canadian and not USD, I'm seeing 180 million in USD. So I made the corrections here. So thanks guys to all you guys for pointing this out to me. I do appreciate it. So I'm only one guy doing this, so I could make mistakes. In the future, if you find any more mistakes, please point them out to me. I'll update the sheets here in the following videos. You guys will see. We'll have the new information as well. So here's what I've done so far. A couple of things that I've added was I added in to my settings here the USD to Canadian conversion and along with the USD to the British pound conversion. So those are done automatically for the fourth quarter or whatever the quarter that we're in right now. Since the numbers for the previous quarters are not going to change because the conversions were done at that time. So we'll leave these here to make it easier for us to go forward depending on where the conversion is for USD and Canadian and USD and British pound. I also added in the BTC price growth here to, our kind of like our midpoints or our milestones. Milestones are 100,000, 150, and 200,000 for the Bitcoin price. Instead of multiplying the Bitcoin price of where it's at today, like the 61,275, times 2x and then 3x and 4x, and then we're getting weird numbers here. So we're just going to go by 50,000 increments, starting at 100,000. Once we get to 100,000, then I'll increase this to probably 150,000, and then this will get up to 200 and 250,000, just so we have, a set goal post basically where we want to go. So based on my corrections here, let's take a look at Bitfarms quarters. So Bitfarms, I'm right now showing up that the market cap in Canadian is around 1.178 billion. In US, I'm getting 952 million, which is pretty close to if I take the shares outstanding and multiply it by the current stock price, which I believe is in US dollars. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is correct. So this comes out to be 954, so we're right there. We're pretty close to it. And then obviously we've updated the chart here, or the net incomes possible, using the BTC goals of 100,000, 150,000, and 200,000 for the possible gains in this quarter, which is October, November, and December. So then these numbers are updated to reflect that. I think that's going to be a much more static way of looking at things instead of more fluid with the Bitcoin price changing all the time. I think these goals can be attained, and then we can see how close we are to attaining those goals going forward. So on Argo, I've also updated their numbers here to coincide with the 100 conversion, right? So 100 pences into the 120 pences that they had, which gives us 1 British pound and 20 pences, which is equivalent to $1.65 in US dollars. And then obviously the market cap is adjusted here based on the British units of measure to our USD currency here. This should be correct, but take a look at it, see if it looks good to you guys. If it does look good to you guys, let me know, and we'll leave it as is. I think this is correct. I'm using the most recent conversion for that. So going forward, I've adjusted the conversions in here as well into the quarters for previous ones. So we should be good there, I believe. Everything else should be, these are static anyway, so these aren't changing. It's the only fourth quarter that's always going to be changing on us, or the quarter that we're currently in, which we'll get numbers for that probably in about a month or so from all of the miners here. So these are the new numbers that we're looking at here based on, this is, did I not change this, or am I going by Oh, I forgot to change this here. I didn't get to it. So, okay, so I have to change this on this one, and I'll change it to the 100,000, 150,000, 250,000 going forward. It's a good thing I caught this now, because then later on I'm going to have problems. So I just want to do a quick video for this. I wanted to thank you guys again for pointing the mistakes out. I do appreciate it very much. So Jens Phage, Randomizer 277, and Jash, and along with Paul, thank you guys so much for pointing this stuff out to me. I just wanted to go over that really quick and let you guys know that that has been updated, and we'll keep those numbers in check going forward. And hopefully we'll be able to provide much better numbers for you guys. Guys, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then,